Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival is a celebration of food and wine, celebrating the hero ingredients of California. There's something for children, there's something for adults. Whether you're looking for that new ingredient that you never had a taste for, or something that you're very familiar with, there's something for everybody here. Besides all of our great restaurant locations, this now features 14 new restaurants with 35 combined items between sweet and savory, a chance for you to sort of graze throughout the entire festival and try something new. The entertainment is for adults and for children. We have junior chefs, we have jammin' chefs. We also have Paradise Garden bandstand where there's going to be some great entertainment there. And then of course, if you're looking for an education, there's seminars that focus on wine, for spirits, and beer seminars of course.